This is Dan Gritzko, and I am in Scottsville, Virginia, in the Van Clief Nature Area, December 2018. Walking up the trail coming off of Jefferson Street. Looks pretty magical here on this snowy day. What do you think, sweetie?
Oh, it's beautiful. It is so peaceful and nice out here.
If you look up the hillside, you can see the snow hanging off the pine trees. Kind of fun to be the first people back this far in the park today, and also see a really, really cool view of the lake. This is Scottsville's hidden gem. Here, both for residents and for tourists. Come and check it out sometime.